Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of UN Autonomous College of Science and Technology. I am Amita Balapatra, head of the department MCOM Finance and Control, and I am going to cover the paper Financial Market and Instruments in my lecture series. Hope you people will like it. So, we will start with the basics of the financial system, and in this video we are going to cover that what is the financial system and what are the nature and role of the financial system. So, first we will start with the financial system. So, what is finance? Finance is the source of providing fund for a particular activity. So, many of the time what we get confused between finance and money. So, actually money is an economic term of finance, but more clearly, or we can say that if we'll talk of finance in a very core way, that finance is the source of providing fund for some developmental or productive activity. That activity might be investment, that might be production, borrowing or lending, etc. Now, what is system? So, system is a very known word to all of us, and if we will say in common, in a layman's term, if we will say we heard system in like for example, we say digestive system for say. So, in a digestive system what are there? There are different organs like we have mouth, we have esophagus, we have liver, we have stomach, we have intestines. So, all these organs comes together to do a function. So, what is that function? To digest the food that we take in. So, all are working for the digestion of the food. So, like that the finance we know, and it has a system, that means it has various components like financial markets, financial instruments, financial services, financial institutions. So, there are various components in the financial system which works for the smooth running or transfer of funds between the savers and the investors. So, that is what the financial system is. So, we can say that financial system is a set of financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments and services that facilitates fund transfer, and it is an important structure in an economy. Now, we will discuss the nature of the financial system. The first one is transfer of funds. So, as the nature of the financial system of this suggests that there is transfer of funds. Transfer, as we know, that from one to another. So, the fund is being transferred from whom to whom? From the savers to the investors, the one who have surplus to the one who need the fund for the investment. So, that is the prime nature of the financial system, that is the transfer of fund. Next, mobilizing savings. So, what the financial system is doing? It is moving the money or moving the savings of the people, those who have idle money. The savings is basically what? We keep aside the money with us, but we do not take the risk of investing it somewhere. So, what the financial system is doing? It is moving the money from the savers to the one who are seeking it, from the savers to the seekers. So, that is the second nature of financial system, that it moves the money or mobilizes the money from the savers to the seekers. Next, we have it facilitates investment. So, as we have already discussed before, that it transfers funds and mobilize the savings to the investors. So, definitely it is going to facilitate the investors. It encourages the investors to invest more and more, because by having the funds that is there with the savers or that is idle with the savers, when that is available to the investors, they will definitely be motivated, and by that the investors will invest more and more. So, that is the third nature of financial system that it facilitates investment. Next, nature of financial system is enhances liquidity. So, what do you mean by liquidity is the liquid cash, the what we can say the readily available cash, that is what liquidity is. And what the financial system is doing, it is enhancing the liquidity, that means it is making available the money or cash in the economy, that is the nature of the financial system. Next is risk allocation. So, what the financial system is doing, it is diversifying the risk. It is not concentrating the risk with some people, it is diversifying the risk, and by diversifying the risk, it is minimizing the risk also. So, by the diversification of the risk, it is minimizing risk, and also we know that in investments, the higher we take the risk, the more we get the return, and by allocating the risk, the financial system encourage the investors to invest, encourage the savers to give their monies to the investors, and by diversifying the risk, it also enhancing the economy of the country. Next, we will be discussing what is the role of the financial system. The first one is it reduces risks. As we have discussed, the nature of the financial system is risk allocation. So, definitely its role is to reduce the risk. So, by reducing the risk, it is encouraging the investors to invest in the economy and boosting the economy of the country. Next, it is the intermediate between the savers and investors. So, financial system, as we have discussed, that it has financial institutions. Financial institutions will facilitate the savers and the investors to come together and exchange the surplus and the surplus money and the deficit. So, that is what the role of the intermediate of the financial system is. It acts as an intermediate between the savers and the investors. It also has an important role in the financial market, and what it do is act a very important role in the formation of the capital. Next is the financial system helps in the development of the economy. When we have a good and a proper financial system, the development of the economy of the country is for sure. So, that is the paramount importance of a good financial system. So, if we have a good financial system, no one can deny or no one can challenge the development of the economy. Next it facilitate payment mechanism. The payment mechanism of the economy is been facilitated or accelerated by the financial system. So, this is all what we have to discuss on the financial system, its role and its nature. Thank you.